What's going on, guys? Okay, I've been navigating crypto testing platforms for roughly 12 years at this point, and honestly, discovering legitimate services has become extraordinarily challenging. The digital landscape is completely oversaturated with fraudulent operations, sponsored YouTube content, paid Google listings, affiliate promotions everywhere, mostly scams. Realistically, I'd say 93% of Flash USDT platforms are fraudulent. Trustworthy providers are vanishing rapidly, but a few legitimate ones still operate if you're diligent about verification. Flash USDT represents one of the rare platforms that's actually delivered reliably. Been working with them around 9 months now. Consistent operations throughout, transparent feature delivery, dependable interface, and absolutely no suspicious behavior. So here's how Flash USDT technology actually functions. First, select a token quantity, 4 tier packages visible, each shows pricing and recommended uses, so I'm grabbing this package. Nice. Now I'm setting visibility duration, ranges 1 hour to 7 days. In this walkthrough, selecting 7 days. Next, I choose generation network and input target address. Okay, so going ERC20, then jumping to wallet, copying address, back here, pasting it in. Yeah, everything aligns. Last action is hitting Buy Flash. There we go. So payment choices are direct transfer or wallet linking, and I'm choosing first method, so give me a minute. And yep, excellent. 50K tokens generated and dispatched, now just waiting for balance confirmation. So while this happens, let me break down why this platform has my confidence. So when I eventually found this app, my entire methodology centered on verification before commitment. I've generated minimum quantity, immediately checked transaction hash via TronScan independently, then confirmed legitimate smart contract deployment, validated through decentralized network nodes. That verification revealed fundamental differences: legitimate blockchain activity confirmable through independent public sources, delivered capabilities matching exact specifications, knowledgeable support addressing real concerns substantively, sustained performance reliability across extended periods. Minor delays occasionally occur during network congestion. Support response might extend several days during high-demand times, but these represent normal operations, not warnings. Core distinction is clear. Advertised features align with actual delivered functionality. Everything's independently verifiable through neutral blockchain infrastructure. What regular users must grasp? Scam sophistication has evolved dramatically. Fraudulent platforms often look more professional than legitimate services now. Protection comes from verification habits, not trusting appearances. Always independently verify blockchain activity through public explorers before trusting platforms. If claimed transactions don't appear in publicly accessible blockchain explorers anyone can verify, it's fraud regardless of interface quality. Legitimate services operate transparently because real blockchain activity is happening publicly. So, links in pinned comment and description. Build your knowledge safely here. Avoid expensive lessons I experienced and share your findings. See you later.